Hey guys, this is Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Today's video is about a Dollar Tree DIY Christmas wreath. So this wreath that you guys are seeing right now was not supposed to be the wreath that I was working on. The Christmas wreath that I was trying to make it was with just this edge wire red ribbon. First, I rolled the red yarn and on a wreath. Then I rolled this ribbon all over. And then after that, I rolled this gold garland, and then I decided to glue this Believe Christmas ornament right here, which didn't work. And then I just decided to remove the gold garland from the Christmas wreath and to cover up the dry glue that was left on a wreath. I just used these two other ribbons that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I didn't have two of the same, so I had one of this and one of this with the snowflakes. So I decided to roll this one in here and then this other one in here. And guess what? It's much better than what it was supposed to be. So you guys are going to see during the video the mistakes that I make by gluing this on a wreath. And then the bells, I just put it over in here. And look how cute it is. I am really happy with the results of this Christmas wreath. And now let's go to the video. Be sure to watch the whole video until the end to see all the transformation that I did with this Christmas wreath. Today I'm going to do a Dollar Tree DIY Christmas wreath. And to make this wreath, I'm going to use this Christmas ornament. I chose Believe. And then I need a red yarn. I'm going to roll the yarn on a wreath, and then after that I'm going to roll the red ribbon on a wreath, and then after that I'm going to use this gold garland, and you're going to need hot glue too. And for right now, this is all the things that I'm going to use it. I may or may not add some more things on this Christmas wreath. So I'm going to roll the red yarn on a wreath, and then I'll be right back. And it's all done and it looks so cute. Now I'm going to roll the ribbon on a wreath. This is the back side. So I'm going to put some hot glue right here. My hot glue is on a low setting. And now it's time to roll the ribbon on the wreath. Pull it. I'm gonna use all this, so I'm gonna just pull it out. There you go. You can do this with any other kind of ribbon. I chose to do with the wire edge ribbon. And because you can see through, that's why I rolled with the yarn. Keep it pulling hard while you're rolling the ribbon on a wreath. Okay, so I will continue rolling the ribbon on a wreath, and then when I'm done, I'll be right back. Okay, it's all done. So looks how cute it is, just like that. And I use the two rows of the ribbon. And make sure that all the parts that you glue is gonna be on the back side. And now I'm going to use the gold garland. And I'm going to glue on the back side. And now I'm going to roll this gold garland on a wreath. And I'm going to glue on the same spot as I start. Put a little bit of hot glue. And there you go. I'm going to cut. And look how cute it is now. Now I'm going to glue the bee leaf right here. Okay, I am changing plans with this Christmas wreath because I tried to glue this a couple times and didn't work it. So I just took it out the gold garland, and now on the parts where there is the hot glue, I am going to use this other ribbon and I'm going to roll, so it's going to be half. So hope it is half and a half, so I will see. This is 12 feet. I don't know for sure if it's gonna be half and a half, but whatever it gets in here, that's what will be. Okay, so I'm gonna just roll this in here and then I'll be back to show you guys. Okay, so this is what my Christmas wreath looks like now. It was supposed to be with just this wire-edged ribbon. Now I have 3 types of ribbons in here. So I have this one with lots of glitter and this one with the snowflakes. And I'm not gonna use the garland anymore. I'm gonna leave it without. And instead glue the Christmas ornament on a wreath, which didn't work with the hot glue because it is not flat. I am going to just use a ribbon to hold this in there. So after I'm done, tie this ribbon in both sides and then I'll be right back. And here it is, the final results of my DIY Dollar Tree Christmas wreath. I love it. I really love it. I'm so happy the way this Christmas wreath turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.